What if you could measure the heartbeat of your manufacturing process? That's precisely what overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, does. It's a crucial metric for anyone in the manufacturing sector, acting as a gold standard for measuring the efficiency and effectiveness of your equipment. OEE breaks down the complexities of production into digestible pieces, providing a clear picture of how well a manufacturing plant is operating. It's calculated by multiplying three distinct elements: availability, performance, and quality. Output. First, we have availability. This measures the actual operating time versus the planned production time. Imagine a scenario where a machine is scheduled to run for 8 hours, but undergoes an hour of maintenance and experiences a 30-minute breakdown. Here, the availability would be calculated as the actual operating time, which is 6.5 hours, divided by the planned 8 hours. Next up, performance. This component considers the ideal cycle time versus the actual cycle time. Ideal cycle time is the fastest cycle at which the machine can produce one part. If a machine ideally produces one widget every minute, but actually takes 1.5 minutes, the performance would be reduced accordingly. Lastly, we have quality. This measures the good units produced as opposed to the total units started. If out of 1,000 units, 900 are perfect and 100 are defective, the quality rate is 90%. To find the OEE, you multiply these three figures: availability, performance, and quality. If availability is 80%, performance is 75%, and quality is 90%, the OEE would be 54%. This number reveals how truly effective the production process is. Understanding OEE not only helps in pinpointing the inefficiencies, but also highlights potential areas for improvement. It's a direct reflection of downtime factors, including machine breakdowns, adjustments, and even minor stoppages that can accumulate to affect the overall productivity. In summary, OEE serves as a comprehensive gauge of production efficiency, combining the elements of availability, performance, and quality to provide a single, powerful insight into how well your equipment is functioning. By regularly calculating and monitoring OEE, manufacturers can make informed decisions that drive productivity, enhance quality, and ultimately boost profitability. Remember, every percentage point gained in OEE translates into better utilization of resources and more efficient production processes. It's not just about keeping the machines running, it's about making them work as smartly and effectively as possible.